In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do when Microsoft Teams does not allow full deletion of entire chat threads. Instead of removing a whole conversation at once, Teams gives you a couple of options that let you clean things up and manage what you see, without actually erasing the entire history for everyone. Let's start with how to hide a conversation from your main chat list. This is useful if a chat is cluttering your view, but you don't need to access it regularly anymore. First, go to your chat list. This is usually on the left-hand side of the Teams window, where all your recent chats appear. Find the conversation you want to clean up. Move your mouse over that chat and hover over it. When you hover, a small set of icons will appear next to the chat name. Look for the icon with 3 dots, also known as the More Options button. Click on those 3 dots. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Hide. Once you click Hide, the conversation will disappear from your main chat list. It's important to understand that hiding does not delete the chat or its history. The conversation is still there, and if someone sends a new message in that chat, it will pop back into your list. Hiding is mainly for decluttering your view and keeping your chat list organized. Now, if your goal is to remove a specific message that you sent, Teams does allow that within individual chats. To delete a message, open the chat where the message is located, scroll until you see the specific message you want to remove, hover over that message with your mouse. Just like before, you'll see a small set of icons appear near the message. Again, click on the 3 dots to open the More Options menu. In that menu, you should see an option that says Delete. Click on Delete. After you do this, the message will be removed from the chat for everyone, and you might see a small note indicating that a message was deleted. Keep in mind that there may be organizational policies that affect whether you can delete messages and how long they remain recoverable behind the scenes. So while Teams does not allow you to wipe an entire chat thread in one action, you can hide conversations from your view and delete individual messages you no longer want to appear in the chat.